Oh, look at these. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I think we have 5 more days of Vlogmas. Anyway, I'm so happy that you guys are here. We are packing up and getting ready to go home. I actually threw all my bags out the window and Skyla caught them. It was really funny. I should have filmed it. I promised you guys that I was going to check this secret door the last day of our vacation. As you can see, there's nothing in here. And here is the door. I do realize that there's like screws right here. I have my handy dandy little thingy, and this is like a screwdriver. I tried and tried and there's no getting through those doors. But I mean, it's definitely a door in there. Oh. I don't think we can. Okay, so we are getting Korean corn dogs. They have sweet potato mozzarella. I don't know. I think I'm gonna get all mozzarella.
I'm getting mozzarella.
No, I'm getting all mozzarella. Yeah, I think I want all mozzarella. Wow, this looks so good. Let's go inside. I wonder who drew that.
No.
You guys, how cute is that? Okay guys, so here's the Korean doorbell. Here's the Korean corn dog. I got the mozzarella, sweet potato mozzarella. That's what it's called. And it has, I guess, sugar on top, which is super interesting. And they're really cheap. They only cost like, I think $3.99. So yeah, it was only like, how many did we get? 1, 2, 3. I think we got 6 and it was like 23 bucks or something.
This is the meal.
Okay, let's see. Let's try it. Ready?
This is a Stubby snack too.
Mmm.
This is a snack.
That is so good. That does look really, really good. Mmm.
Does anyone need a fake plate?
You guys, this is so good. This place is in Atlantic Square. It's called Chung Chung Rice Hot Dog in Monterey Park. My ketchup farted on me.
Your ketchup farted?
Yeah.
Wrong. What is that, baby? That is like fair food.
Reminds you of fair food?
Big time, dude. What else would you buy something like that?
I opened it.
Okay, what do you want me to do?
It tastes good to you, baby?
Mm-hmm.
Well, that makes me feel unhealthy.
Okay, so the first thing I noticed, they have lots of slime, and it's only $1, which is super cool. This is like slime as well. Really, really cool. I love these, by the way. That's so cool. Oh, look at these. They have squishies. Those are gonna cost you $3. They have this one and a cup of coffee. I don't know what these are. Oh, they're like gummy. They're like it's like squishy red poop, I guess. And what else? Oh, look at this. These are balls, bouncy balls. I was like, what are those? I think it lights up. It's supposed to light up. What else? That's like as far as fidgets that I see. Oh, excuse me, ma'am, do you work here? Look, we all have buddies now.
Aww.